Hello, the students and 3. Good morning. I hope you all are well in this pandemic coronavirus. Please stay home, stay safe. Spend your quality time with your family member. You can give your quality time in your study also. I hope whatever homework I am giving you in maths and science, you are doing it in homework on time because whenever school is going to open, I am going to have all the homework which I have given you. So please be sincere and do all the homework on time with healthy food, play some indoor game. I hope you guys are doing some great work things at home. So whenever you are going to watch my video, please keep book and copy video. So today I am going to teach you science chapter 9 organs and organ system is going on. Okay, organs and organ system. So today I am going to start new topic, that is circulatory system. Circulatory system. Okay, so have you wondered how the useful components that are absorbed during digestion reach the different parts of the body? Yes, in digestive system I told you, when food is passed into the stomach, okay, and then it is go to the large intestine. When that food, it goes to small intestine, okay, whatever the juices are present in that intestine, what that food changes into nutrients, and that nutrients, okay, it absorbed by the other part of the body. So absorb. So blood carries the useful components of food and oxygen to the different parts of the body with the help of circulatory system. Yes. So during the digestion, I taught you, when the food reaches to the small intestine, that food changes into the nutrients, and that nutrients is absorbed by the other parts of the body. But that who takes that nutrients? Who carries that nutrients to the other part of the body? So blood. So this is the work of blood. That blood carries the useful components of food and oxygen. Blood, it carries whatever the food changes into that nutrient and important components. Blood carries that component of food and oxygen also to different parts of the body with the help of circulatory system. The heart, blood and blood vessels form our circulatory system. Okay, which forms the heart, blood and blood vessels. What form our circulatory system. Okay, blood carries the useful components of food, okay, and oxygen to the different parts of our body with the help of what? Circulatory system. Okay. So the heart pumps blood throughout the body through blood vessels. Okay, when the heart, because when we breathe, our heart also. So when you breathe, so whatever blood circulating is going in our body, it is retreated to our heart. When our heart pump, okay, when our heart pumps, the heart pumps blood. It will pump, okay, throughout the body through blood vessels. I am just showing the picture also. The heart pumps blood throughout the body through blood vessel. So you can see the picture now here. I am showing you. Is there the circulatory system picture is there? You can see here veins carry blood from the different parts of the body towards the what heart. Whatever the veins, okay, small veins are present in our body, it carries the blood to the different parts of the our body, okay, different parts of the body towards the heart, okay. Whatever the veins in our body, it carries the blood from the different parts of the body towards towards the heart. When it comes to heart pump blood, okay, throughout the body with the help of through blood vessel. See now after that I am just reading you. When that blood reaches to the heart is a muscular organ that pumps blood to different parts of the body, okay. Now when these veins carry blood from the different parts of the body towards the heart, when it reaches to the heart pumps the heart is a muscular heart is a what? Muscular organ. So that pumps the blood throughout the body. Then it reaches to arteries. Arteries carry blood away from the heart to different parts of the body. Okay, now after that arteries is there, you can see the picture also. When heart pumps the blood, then the next work comes to the arteries, and arteries after that it carry blood away from the heart. It carry blood away from the heart to different parts of the body. Okay. So the blood transport, what blood transport? So the blood transport nutrients, water and oxygen to different parts of the body. Okay. What it transports? So we can see I have already written that blood carrying useful components. So that what is that components? You can see the blood transport nutrients, okay, water and oxygen, okay, to different parts of the body. It also transports carbon dioxide and wastage from the parts of the body to the organs of the excretory system, from where they are later removed. Okay, it also carry carbon dioxide and wastage from the different parts of the body and wastage, okay, and after that it later removed from what? Excretory system. So see, this circulatory system plays an important role in human body, okay. This blood carries important components also, and it also remove like wastage product, like whatever the waste products comes from our bodies, and carbon dioxide which is not good for our health. They also carry, and it is removed from excretory system, and whatever the important components are there that are absorbed by our blood carries important ones and removes the waste one. So till here I am stopping. In next classes I will go for next topic, that is excretory system.